Alright, I just wanted to go ahead and do a video on this. This one is a Focus RS. And this is one of the funnest little cars I've ever driven in my life. I took it out for a spin because I didn't know a whole lot about the RSs. And it is zippy for sure. Totally clean. It's got low miles. It's at 61,000. Let's see here. You got the blue brakes on the back and on the front. See, it's got the blue stitched steering wheel. It has a heated steering wheel actually. You have your different drive modes. This one in particular has normal, sport, track, and drift. And I'm sure that it would do that if you tried to push it. It is a manual because it's an RS. Heated seats, has navigation. I mean, this thing has everything. So you even got your gauges up here. Here's your mileage. Low miles. You have the Recaro seats, which are really cool. Totally clean back seat. I don't really see any imperfections at all on this. But yeah, I had to do a video because I just went and put fuel in it, and it's one of the funnest cars I've ever driven in my life. This is a cool little car for sure, and they're rare. I mean, I've worked at this Ford dealership for a little over 3 years now, and this is the first one I've ever seen of the RSs. So yeah, just had to make a quick video on it so I could show all y'all, so you can check it out. It's down here at Victory Ford, over here by the Legends. So if you want to take a look, come get it. Thanks.